The welcome address will be delivered by Kate Thessalonica A. Takara, STEM Read High Honors. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. These words by Ralph Waldo Emerson resonate deeply with us today as we gather here to celebrate a momentous event in our lives. To the All-Wise Assistant School Division Superintendent, Dr. Rodriguez Carrasco, ma'am. To the Chief of School Governors Operation Division, Dr. Layani Emilio, ma'am. To the Education Program Supervisor, EPS and NTD, Ma'am Nalma P. Aporte. To our guest of honor, Dr. DJ Claire P. Pagdodon, ma'am. To our Secondary School Principal 1, Ma'am Doris J. Yu. To our General Parent Teacher Association President, Ma'am Grace A. Mila. Esteemed faculty, proud parents, distinguished guests, my fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to welcome you to the graduation ceremony of the class of 2024. Today marks a significant milestone in our lives. As we gather here, we are surrounded by the people who supported us, cheered for us, and believed in us. This ceremony is not just a culmination of our hard work and dedication, but it's also a tribute to the memories and relationships we have built along the way. But most importantly, today is a great testament of God's everlasting goodness and love on how He never left us on our journey. High school has been a roller coaster ride, and we have achieved so much. We have laughed together, have cried together, and have grown together. Through all the late night study sessions, the exams, the projects, and the unexpected challenges, we have persevered. We have grown not only in knowledge, but also in character. The friendships we have formed and the experiences we shared will surely stay in our hearts forever. So today, I want all of us to truly feel this moment, to breathe, to enjoy, to let out a good cry, and to cherish every remaining moment we have together. My fellow graduates, we can now finally relate to the saying, "Layo pala, pero layo pala." We have come so far, and we know that there's still so much more ahead of us. Because after all, this is just another beginning. Once again, welcome to a day of celebration and reflection. Congratulations to this batch of 2024. May this day be filled with joy, pride, and a sense of accomplishment. God bless and thank you.